This pace. Oh, now close. He's gone a long way across. Close. They're going to have a look, and it's Stephen Smith.
TV umpire to director, we have a player review for LBW, on-field decision is not out, confirm it's a fair delivery, you can go to front on spin vision. Nice and slow. Yeah, can you go to the outrage please? Nice and slow, I can see clear gap and no bat involved. You can go to the ball tracking when it's ready. Impact in line and wicket sitting. Impact in line, wicket sitting. I recommend you to change your original decision.
Well, they deserve that, England. They have been excellent since lunch. They really have. They've held their line. They've got Steve Smith across his stumps. And then the surprise straight one has done for him. Excellent.